Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing Waves Stride Voice Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Now this is an offline exclusive product. You can buy it around 2000 rupees and it is launched in India, so you can buy it all over India in your nearest stores. By the way, if you are from Hyderabad, you can buy it from Shweta Mobiles and Computers, and that's where I got it from. You can check out the description for more details. We have the cherry blossom color with us right now and it looks pretty good right out of the box. Now as for the highlights, this watch actually has Bluetooth calling. It comes with a bigger 1.83-inch HD display with 100 plus sports modes and a premium metallic design. And it also has IP68 water and dust resistance, which is really the best in the market. So without any further delays, let's get on with the unboxing. Here's the box. This is how the entire packaging looks like. On the front there's the Boat logo along with the preview of the watch. It also says made in India by an Indian brand. That's pretty good. On the side we have some of the highlights. On the bottom we got the pricing and some of the specs. On the back side, once again we got the watch preview, online links, barcodes and QR codes. Now let's unbox it. First we have the watch, followed by the charging dock, some stickers, documentation, and finally a 1-year warranty card. Now let's have a physical overview. On the front, it is a huge 1.83-inch display protected by a 2.5D curved glass. On the back side, it's got sensors, branding and the charging pins. On one side, it's completely plain, and on the other side, we got the button or the crown. Now these are the soft silicone straps and they are branded at the end of the strap. On the inside of the other strap, it says do what floats your boat, as it does on almost all boat watches. Now let's look at the pairing process. On your phone, open the scanner application, and on your watch, go to settings and tap on the QR code. Now just scan the QR code and you'll be taken to the Play Store or the App Store, and you just need to download and install this application. Now once you open the app, tap on Start Pairing. Just give it all the permissions. Now keep the watch close to your phone. It'll show up as Stride Voice. Just tap on it and that's it. Now it'll ask you for permissions and you can grant them all. Now let's look at the watch interface. Here's the home screen. Default watch face does look pretty good. You can swipe from the left for notifications. You can swipe from the top for toggles. We have buttons for do not disturb mode, rise to wake gesture, Bluetooth toggle, find phone, torch, phone and settings. You can swipe from the right side for menu. And finally you can swipe from the bottom for activity tiles, heart rate data and sleep monitoring data. Now here's the app interface. First we have the health tracking data, steps taken, calories burned, distance and activity minutes. Next there's the pairing information. It even shows you the battery percentage of the watch, Bluetooth connectivity status, and you can tap over here to access more options. Right at the top we got some information. Below that we have the options to change the watch faces. Following that we have settings like general settings, alarms, alerts, app notification, Bluetooth calling and so on. By the way, from the Bluetooth calling settings, we can send contacts to your watch. Now these are the watch settings. We have features like wear detection, vibration mode, take picture, disconnect and so on. Now on the top there are a few more options. It says calling setup. It says to turn on Bluetooth calling on your watch and go to the Bluetooth settings on the phone and pair the watch there, and now you can make calls. By the way, if Bluetooth calling is disabled on the watch, you can't receive or make calls from the watch. Besides that, there are some more settings which are app specific. Now once again back to the watch. These are all the applications that we have. We have the workouts. These are all the different workouts we have. Outdoor walk, outdoor run, cycling and so on. Next we have the record section for all the data. Next we have the heart rate app and you know what it does. Next we have the phone dialer application. We can check out call logs, contacts, and you also have the dialer pad so you can directly enter the number from your watch and make a call. Next we also have a stress app which can actually measure your stress levels, SpO2 app to measure oxygen levels, activities where you can track your activities, calories and steps, and you also have the breathe application with a timer and you can use it for meditation. Finally you also have sleep tracking which actually works automatically. Besides that we also have the weather application, alarm, stopwatch, timer, music and so on. Well, most of these applications are pretty common on smartwatches these days. Now for the review part, let's start off with the design and build. Now once again this is a closer look at the watch itself, and my initial impressions was, yes, it looks very premium. Especially that silver lining all around makes it look a bit more premium. And this particular cherry blossom color definitely looks pretty good. Overall, design and build are pretty good and the watch looks quite premium. By the way, this is how you can charge your watch, and for the first time, charge it for at least 2 hours before you start using it. Now as for the call quality, I'll say it's pretty decent and it's pretty audible in a silent environment. Voice is loud and clear enough. But if you're planning to answer calls in a metro or a bus, it might be a little tricky. Besides that, I've used this watch for 2 to 3 days and the battery life is pretty good. So guys, to conclude, if you're looking to buy a smartwatch around 2000 rupees in an offline store, Waves Stride Voice is definitely my top suggestion. It definitely has the looks, it's pretty sleek with a bigger display, and it literally has all the features that a smartwatch can offer in this price segment. By the way, I also forgot to mention it has IP68 water and rust resistance, and you can also buy it offline. Like you can go to the store, check it out in person and then buy it instead of directly buying it online. So if you're interested, definitely check out this product. So guys, what do you think about this new Waves Stride Voice? Do let me know by commenting below this video. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.